Hello, my friend. This is Soneakqua White popping in to tell you about Monday School and invite you to join us. Monday School is a 10-month program that I've created, and it's specifically designed for followers of Christ to learn how to use your faith in Christ and your mindset and how they work together in healing. We're going to be starting in January. We will go from January to October. You can join at any time, but the program is also designed to compound upon itself. So January will help you with February. February will help you with March, and so forth. But as long as you have the two books that are here beside me, Before You Blow Up and Coaching the Called, you can join us at any time and kind of pick up with where you have left off or where we have left off. So the things that you will learn in Monday School, we have a 3-step process that we're going to take the 10 months to talk about. Step number 1 is solidifying your core belief system in Christ. And these are people who are already followers of Christ or those who would like to be. Okay. Step number 2 is securing your healing. Now we will focus mostly on mental and emotional healing, but it is also applicable to physical and spiritual healing as well. Step 3 is securing the deal or sealing the deal with obedience, discipline, and boundaries. Because think about it, what's the point of doing all this work of solidifying your core belief system and securing your healing if you're not going to seal the deal by obedience, discipline, and boundaries? So those are the 3 steps that we're going to be working on, and we're going to go through a 10-month process. Each month is a different topic, and they will follow along with the book that I've written, Before You Blow Up. That is our foundational content. Our why and our how comes out of Coaching the Called. It is also what this program is preparing you to do, coach the called. Because once you finish the program, you will then have access to online content that will take you even deeper into your healing process, but it will also then train you on how to train others. And anyone who finishes the program will come out with a coaching certification. It won't make you a general coach of all things, but it will make you a coach in this process so that you can also coach the called. So I hope you will join us in Monday School. And as always, be proactive about your mental health, be well, and God bless.